Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to have a tutorial about how to use Tenantcloud, a website, a feature-rich property management software. So this is designed for landlords and property managers. So whether you are managing a single rental or multiple properties, this website simplifies lease management, rent collection, maintenance tracking, and many more. So in this step-by-step guide, I will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. So here guys on creating an account and dashboard overview. So to begin with, you need to visit their website, which is the Tenantcloud, and click on sign up. There you need to enter your email, password, and select your role. For example, you are the landlord, a tenant, or a service provider. So after verifying your account guys via email, you can log in to access your dashboard. So you can log in through your Google account or your email or your Apple account. So here they also have their plan here. So they have their starter, growth, and don't worry guys, you can compare their plans here. So depending on you. So this website guys, if they have their dashboard where you can get an overview of your properties, payments, maintenance requests, and then the tenant communication. So the left sidebar, it includes the key sections such as the properties, leases, tenants, accounting, and their reports. So here, how to add a property. So to add a new property guys, you need to go to the properties tab. There you'll be able to see their add property, and of course you need to enter the property name, address, unit details, and then the property type. For example, either residential or commercial. So you can also upload property images, documents, and utility details. And then once complete guys, you just need to click save. So listing your property for rent. If you want to list your property for rent guys, you need to select the property and then click list property. So here, you need to fill in the details like rent amount, lease terms, security deposit, and then the pet policy. So here, the Tenantcloud allows you to syndicate your listing to platform like Zillow or the apartments.com. So they also have here their marketing. Here, they can pay through online, and they have their accounting. So on adding the tenants guys, it is important here. So once you have an interested tenant, you can go to the tenants tab and click add tenant. So of course, important part, you need to enter their name, email, and then their phone number. And then once the screening process is complete, you can approve or deny applications directly from the Tenantcloud dashboard. So here you can create and manage these. So they also have here their rent collection and then their online payments. The tenants receive a notification when rent is due and can make payments directly through their portal. So here, you can also track expenses and accounting, manage maintenance requests, and then communicating with the tenant. So this website includes an in-app messaging system that lets you communicate with the tenants directly. And that's a complete guide on how to use this website property management software. If you found this tutorial helpful guys, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more property management tips. And if you have any question, drop them in the comments below, and then thanks for watching and see you in the next video.